What's up, everybody? It's D Money from IWillQuitMyJob.com, where we show you how to make money online and offline so you can get out of that 9 to 5, man. Give y'all some free game today. We're talking about wholesaling real estate. We're gonna show you how to pull a list off of PropStream. I use REI Automated. It's just another extension of PropStream. Um, I guess I get a link I can use or something I'll put down below in the description. So you could get PropStream. I think they got a trial or something like that, but it's the best in the business for pulling lists. We used to use list source before that, but list source was getting pretty expensive. You can pull, I think it's 10,000 records or something a month, something like that. Um, List source is still good if you want to use list source, but PropStream is the one that mostly everybody use, and it's pretty good. The next best thing to driving for dollars and going to the county and pulling your own list. So I ain't gonna hold y'all too long. I'm about to give y'all this free game. Let's get to it. All right, y'all. So we on PropStream. Like I said, I use REI Automator, but you can use PropStream just as regular. It's the same thing. So let's see. So you'll click on wherever you're at. I'm in New Orleans, so I'm pulling this actual list: New Orleans, Louisiana. Oh, let me clear off. See, all right. So New Orleans. I don't know. Let's keep clearing this up. Okay. All right, let's try this again. LA, there we go. All right. So we all know all the we got high equity 135,000, 2,949 vacant, cash buyers 22,504, 90 auction, 90 pre-foreclosures, 2715 on the MLS. All right. So we're gonna go up here and hit filter, and we're gonna go to owner occupied. No. I'm gonna put vacant, and we're gonna put with liens. Vacant with liens. So now we're gonna go to, so now look, we down 149. And this is a property it's actually working on. Let me see. Let's see what happened with this. They tried to list this, and obviously it hasn't sold yet. But that's on them. They'll be coming back. Okay, so we got our filters up, right? We got liens, and we have vacant. So now you're gonna go into property characteristics, and let's see. You want to put in, let's go all classifications. We go to residential. This is gonna be a real targeted list. All types. We don't want no condos or townhouses. We want multifamily. We want multifamily and single family. See, now we're down to 91. And depends on where you're at. You can put at least a minimum of 2 bedrooms, and it's hard to sell those 1-bedroom joints. So you could put that, but it depends on your county. Square foot doesn't really matter. Year built, minimum. The max you want to put at least 20 years ago. So I really put like 1995 or go a little older. So boom, max net 1995. So anything from there to before 1995. And we don't want no HOA fees. Exclude that. MLS status. No. We don't want nothing on the MLS. You can keep that MLS stuff. Unless now there's a list that you pull from the MLS about properties that may have just been sitting there, but that's another video. Alright, so pre-folder ownership info. Here's another thing. Years of ownership, at least 5. At least 5 will be built in a little equity. Now this is going to be a very targeted list. It's only 15, but this is going to be a very targeted list, because this list is going to have everything with liens amounts, and these homes are vacant and they need to sell. Look at this. Let's go into this one. Harvey, Louisiana. Lien details. 16,000. Wow. Lien amount. Multi county city tax lien. So code enforcement, I'm pretty sure probably high grass and stuff like that. So I will sit here, I will pull this list. All unique properties, add to list. I'll create a new one. Make sure I put the name in there. Vacant. With liens. And you want to save that, man, and then you just can do that for different counties, and do that for different zip codes in or around your area, and then you'll pull out a real targeted list of homeowners that really need to sell, and this is how you get the deals going. And then you hit this list pretty hard and pretty steady, because these homeowners need to sell. It's an impending situation and they need to get out of it. So that's just a quick tutorial, man. Like I said, pull this list, try this list today. Look in the description below. I'll try to get a link for PropStream and put it down there for y'all. Like I said, man, it's one of the best tools that they ever came out with. I love it. I can't rave enough about it, man. It's one of the best if you wholesale in real estate. So this your boy D Money from quitmyjob.com. Make sure you like the video if this helped. Subscribe below, man. I'm gonna keep dropping these bangers for y'all, man. Y'all have a good one. Peace.